Hey friends, this is Atif here. Val and welcome to the update on Dogelon Mars. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of Dogelon Mars was dropped down at a very long-term uptrend line support, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that still it is moving at this support, and at the same time, it was also testing this very long-term support of point double zero double zero and double zero six times 0.1420 but right now it is moved slightly down than the support. In fact, we have broken it down and now still moving at this uptrend line support. By the way, this is a very long-term uptrend line that support is coming from here from the month of June 2021. You can see that we had bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. This was a very massive bounce. And again, we had stable touch points here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. And now the pricing is once again dropped down at this uptrend line support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Vana, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 24th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this, the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let me take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that recently we broke out this quite long-term down channel, and after the breakout, the price line started a very, very nice pump. And by the way, here you can see that we had a long spike beyond this long-term resistance of 5520 point double zero double zero and double zero six times 0.5520 but that was just a spike. The pricing could not break it out. And by the way, this resistance has been previously working as a resistance here, and before that was working as support here as well. And now it is again dropped down, and we have again broken down this very significant support zone that starts from 2500 and goes to 2205. That was previously working as a resistance zone resistance here, support here for a few weeks, and resistance here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here as well. And now we have again broken it down and we are dropped down at this very long-term uptrend line support. That is, by the way, coming from 2021, from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and a bounce here, and several touch points here. Then we had another bounce, and this time, again, it is dropped down at this support. At the same time, you can see that stochastic is completely oversold. Therefore, still, there is a probability that we may see a correction move to the upside from here. And in case of another price reversal, first, the pricing can hit this long-term resistance zone that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500, and then it can, in case of breaking it out, it can reach to the next resistance of 4200. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And then it can reach the next resistance of 5520 as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Then we had a very, very massive rally, but the price end so far could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 2276. Double zero and 05 times 0.2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.